Hi, I'm Tony with SNOWVENTCO, the founder of this snowproof roof vent, and that's done by this 99.9% snowproof roof vent filter, which is made out of stainless steel. Has 5 legs for support. It's a thicker vent. I give 6 1/4 to go up underneath your shingles, wider size, drain hole here, and I'll go ahead and show you how to put it in. You just cut a hole by 7 1/4 by 7 1/4, which is 50 square inch. This is a 50 square inch vent, even though the filter is 70 square inches of airflow area. I'll go ahead, I didn't nail these ahead of time so that I can slide this vent in, so I'll show you how to go about it. You just pick up the shingles and slide it in, and just go ahead and line it up. Try to be as even as you can on the course of the shingles down here, and then you go ahead and put the 5 nails along the bottom I like to put. You must put them in here in the side, underneath the side of the vent, so that you hold down the sides. Go ahead and nail the top in because it's 6 1/4, so it goes up there long enough to fit this row of shingle. You'll catch the top flange, no problem. And thank you, stay safe.